Amazing Caves, written by E.D. Evans. Focus question. What can you find in a cave? What to know? Bright. Cave. Crystals. Drawings. Sharp. Shiny. Connections. Writing. Read the question on the last page of this book. Make a list of what you see. Share your ideas with your class. Science. Pick two caves from the book. Tell a partner how they are the same and different. This cave has sharp rocks. This cave has blue water. This cave has black bats. This cave has big crystals. This cave has bright worms. This cave has old drawings. This cave has shiny fish. What does this cave have?